All right, I've got the ignition side cover removed, and as you can see, I just zip tied it up to hold it. A couple of observations. I did not need to remove the shift lever. I was able to just push it down slightly as it was coming off. On the other side, I actually removed the spark plug to make it easier to find top dead center. You can also stick something soft down into the spark plug hole, like a straw, to double check to make sure that the piston is actually at the top. I can't tell if the key is going to be on the top yet until I remove the flywheel. Just because you're at top dead center doesn't always mean you're at the correct top dead center. You can be on the compression stroke, which is I think is what you want, but we'll find out soon. Next, I'm going to find a flywheel holder so I can hold this while I turn this nut, and then we will use the flywheel puller to pull the flywheel off. All right.